All of the content contained in this webcast is for informational purposes only. The investments and strategies in this webcast may not be suitable for you. Please consult your own independent financial advisor before making any investment or trading decisions. Welcome back, traders and investors. Second portion of the show today, market movers. We have a lot of stocks on the move today, so let's start with one that's moving south. Navistar, bigger than expected loss, throw in lower 2012 guidance, and you have this stock trading down $1.78 in the pre-market. We got a pre-market low right here at these lows, $38. After it hit the 38, you got a little bit of a bounce to the 38.60 level. I'd be looking for a test of this $38 level in the pre-market. If in fact that doesn't hold, you will find support at 36.96. Our next mover in the pre-market, this one's moving up. American Eagle Outfitters beat the street 11 cents versus 9. Trading at and opening into resistance here. The yearly high was 1587. You see you had the double top here at 1584 and 1587 before the gap down. Sold off to 1250. Has been able to recover all that ground. Someone seems to be stepping in this thing at $16 and just below that level in the pre-market. See what happens at that level. Use that as a swing number. If in fact it breaks above 16, there's going to be some more resistance at 1637. If this thing starts to pull back, look for 1568 to hold to keep this rally going. These retailers can keep going one way or another, so if it blows and gets a hold, holds this $16 level, get some offers out at 1637. JP Morgan trading up here 48 cents in the pre-market. Earnings estimates raised at Morgan Stanley. Perhaps it's one of those you scratch my back, we'll scratch yours. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Major resistance at the high of the move here in JP Morgan at 40.88. Take that up all the way up to the round number of 41 and expect a pretty good resistance. It seems like someone's stepping in a little bit ahead of that area and making 40.50 the pre-market high. So we'll see what happens at that level. Coming back on the downside, 40.06, which was yesterday's high, would fill the gap. So we'll be looking at support at the $40 level. Our next market mover, AIG. Surprise, surprise, the government is going to dump some stock here. $6 billion worth of stock. You got a spike down in the pre-market here, and seems to be recovering a little bit, taking this news in stride. The pre-market low has been 28.61. It's hit this 28.60 level a few times and bounced. So use that as support. If in fact that 28.60 hold, you do have some major support at the double bottom at 28 and 28.02 from the end of February. As far as resistance to this stock, you're not really trading too far away from yesterday's low at 29.12. So look for some sellers at that level. Now the biggest of our market movers, this is a shocker, Mickey D's. Same store sale and global comp sales are up, but I guess they just didn't sell enough of those Big Macs and Egg McMuffins to satisfy Wall Street. You've gotten a spike in this stock. I mean, this is very rare for Mickey D's. Hit 96 in the pre-market. Not really a rounding bottom, just kind of a spike bottom. Has been able to recover to trade up to 97.20. I think the support's going to move up from the $96 level up to 96.50. If in fact it gets above 97.20, who knows where this thing's going to stop. You have a long ways to go to get to yesterday's low at 99.44. Just recapping, the S&Ps currently are trading about $4 off their high of the day. 1365.75 matches Tuesday's Globex high. I expect, if in fact they can get above their major resistance going up from 1365.75 up to Monday's Globex high at 1369.50. That's our market movers for today, folks, and we'll be back with you tomorrow.